Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're experiencing low audio on calls that you're conducting on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you're finding it hard to hear the other person on the other end of the line, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on the home screen and then select the setting gear icon. And then you want to scroll down underneath sound and vibration. And underneath call volume, you can increase the call volume by dragging it further over to the right. And you can experiment with this a little bit to see what is the best setting for your preference. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.